Hi gang, and welcome to the last video on the 6 main plant categories. The 6 main plant categories include allium plants, cruciferous plants, edible plant stems, leafy greens, marrows, and roots and tubers. In the last video, we discussed marrow plants and the plant growth hormones that some of them contain. And in the following video, I will show you which plants contain the highest amounts of natural growth hormones in the roots and tubers plant category. So let's get down to the source of things. As you probably already know, roots and tuber crops are important cultivated staple foods and energy sources that we all consume on a daily basis. They include potatoes, cassava, sweet potatoes, yams, radish, turnips, parsnip, carrots, and ginger. They all belong to different botanical families but are grouped together because they all produce food underground. And the ones that we use in our grow regimen includes garlic, potatoes, ginger, and beets. Garlic is actually a herb and is related to onions, leeks, and chives. We use it for different reasons, but mainly because it has 18 different amino acids and is noted for its sulfur content. Garlic boasts a 15, 11, 13 NPK, which makes it a suitable plant to use for any situation. Potatoes. We use them on a regular. Not only do they taste good, but they're also good for your plants. We use them in 2 different ways. We put them directly in the compost, or we let them dry and bake them to make a potato ash and powder. Does wonders for your plants. If you bake the peels until they are black, you can grind them up into a powder that is rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Ginger is a flowering plant that is widely used basically as a spice and for folk medicine. Ginger, with its high phosphorus and potassium content, is an ideal plant to use in your regimen and for all your plants. Last but not least, we have beets. Beetroots is a root vegetable that is also known as red beets, garden beets, or just plain old beets. They are particularly high in fiber, folate, and manganese, but we also use them in the garden because it's a very, very good cover crop. Alright, that's going to wrap things up for now. In the next video, we're going to look at what type of grains and legumes are beneficial in the garden, how to make them, and how to use them. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next go round. Ciao, bella.